tayo sa interview portion. Okay, so baba muna tayo ng energy. Siguro unahin natin, tanungin, si Verses. Alam ko meron pang missing piece story sa Untalk, which we are about to see in just a few minutes. But how is it seeing everything on the big screen and having a live audience react to everything you gave sa season?
Watching myself, honestly, medyo cringe. Pero masaya naman ako for the girls. Pero marami kasing mga parts na,
na-edit.
I don't want to blame it on the edit.
Okay.
Pero like, kasi they ask us questions. Okay, what's your first impression? So, chika mo lang. Eh, yung first impression ko, baka so sorry.
So, I guess the question is, kamusta? Yeah. I was gonna ask kung kamusta na relationship.
Pero abangan niyo yung Untalk.
Film siya siguro a few months ago, so...
But,
kung ano yung nakita niyo? Yes. Ayun na yun.
Oo, and also, nakita namin merong some reference to a Minty thing. Nandito rin si Minty ngayon. Just letting you know, that must have been interesting to watch. But we're not gonna poke any further. Pero that was very interesting. And ano ang feeling na walang umuwi?
Parang inisip ko ngayon, parang hindi worth it yung kagatan na walang umuwi. Parang unfounded tuloy, nakakaloka, parang hindi siya big deal. Ayun lang.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Versex. Siya po ay magbabalik. Bigyan natin yung mic sa iyong fellow queen. At ask away. Tapos mamaya ikaw naman yung interview ko.
Beauty, Botang. Hello. Kamusta po kayo dyan?
Kamusta ang batang walang laban?
Ito, kasama pa rin. Siguro ako, like, having been on the show with you, what did we miss out on your story of the first episode? Oh my God, I feel like they're gonna show it sa episodes after. But, ang chika is, kasi wala talaga ako sa mood backward ng episode 1. Kasi bakla wala talaga mong walang make-up, bakla. Ano yun? Kasi naiwan ng, pwede ba sabihin? Yung pal! Yung pal! Putang ina mo pal! Pal, if you're watching putang ina mo, tinira mo yung aura ko sa episode 1. So, just so you know, she talked about this online. Philippine Airlines lost her entire makeup bag. And production provided her with some of the Anastasia kits we got, but all they gave her was 2 brushes. Girl, dalawang tayong brushes na talaga. Sabi, not only paano ko take the blade, not only her makeup kit, all her style wigs.
Oh.
No. Yung other black shit. Pero nasira talaga. I don't wanna blame production, but nasira talaga yung makeup. But that, for how beautiful Yudi was on the first episode and for how well she did, there was like a million and one mini challenge. Hindi ko lang talaga get. Ang ating mo problema doon, obvious naman siguro, di ba? Kung ang ko problema, wala sa buti bakla. Pero ayun,
I think a very nice thing sa edit kanina nung sinabihan kang walang energy. Tapos tuwan-tuwa yung audience. So, pangangatawanan mo na ba yan?
I think so. Like, why do I want to give? Why do I want to be the boss? Like, Mitchell girls represent. I love her. Ano ba? Ano sabihin ko ba? Nakalimutan ko. How about the runway? How was the runway experience? Ito pa. Did you know? Utang ina. Lahat ng logo kasi di ba ina-assemble. Nakakala ko kasi merong time na parang gawa-gawa, tatazi. Kailangan kasi yung kailangan 2 to 3 people na gagawin. Bakla, ano lang sa van. Walang tumutulong bakla. Girl. Sira-sira yun. Legit, they met. Sira-sira. Like, hiwalay-hiwalay. Atazi. Yung mga skirt, yung... Girl, I don't wanna look. Sobrang cringe ng episode 1, bakla.
No, but she looked fantastic, right? That face.
It could have been better, but... Pero, I just wanna make a shout out kay Maxi. Hindi pinakita backstage, pero putang ina, siya lang talaga yung bakla lumapit. Sabi, putang ina nyo kasi hindi nyo kasi nilulungan. I took 4 people to zip my dress. I'm so sorry. Okay, forgive it. Pero shoutout kay Maxi.
Anong tulong ang ginawa ni Maxi? If you could share more details.
Bakla, parang iiyak na talaga ako bago. Sabi ko, putang ina, tulungan ko naman ako bago na. Doon kami ni Dimba, parang tatay-tahi. She had to basically assemble the whole dress, like from the corset, the skirt, the tail, and the masks by herself. Exactly. Akala ko kasi merong time. Sabi ko lang, hindi naman ako na-inform putang ina. So next time, if ever bakla, mag-zip up and brand panty na lang ako. Angel, you're doing it gold pay. Andiyan ka ba?
Buhay pa siya.
Shoutout kay Maxi in spirit. Buhay ang intervention.
Alright, thank you pala pa kayo naman si Unicorn at grabe.
Now let's move on to ang ating kong mahilig sa sausage.
Jay Quinn na merong asong nag-procreate. Maraming salamat sa clip na yon. Okay.
Hi! Ano natin? Kapag tayo ng alas 12 dito, pinagsama niya kami.
I guess ang unang tanong, kamusta kayo ni Kiana now?
Uy, okay kami ni Kiana.
Parang kanina backstage, eme lang.
Kami nga yung magkausap kanina, di ba tayo madalas yung magkausap? Kami yung nag-uusap kanina, sabi ko, hala, hindi nagsasalita si Minso, sige Kiana, para usap tayo.
Pero okay na kayo ngayon?
Okay na kami ni Kiana.
Okay nga ba kayo? Baka isang sideline naririnig namin.
Okay na lang. Siyempre, joke lang. Okay na kami. Nag-usap naman na kami. Panoorin niyo na lang sa Antak.
Actually na lang. Magulo yung Antak.
Yun kaya nga masaya panoorin yung Antak,
Ate, kinagat mo kami ni Birdo. Ayoko.
Abang-abang.
Kaya let's move forward to. Let's move on to Kiana na. Let's move on to Kiana naman.
Game mo na.
Okay pa lang naman natin ang winner of the first challenge.
Wait lang.
Deserve ba? Deserve?
Pero hindi kayo nag-react kanina sa video. Parang na-board kayo. Hindi ka na siguro nag-get. Si Hubert ko kasi. Ayun na naman.
Same question kanina, di ba? I mean, you've been sitting on The Secret for months now. Alam mo, ikaw yung mananalo sa first episode. Seeing the whole crowd cheer for you sa final lip sync. Take us through what you were feeling kanina.
Actually, pagpasok ko pa lang, sabi ko talaga, si Maxi na yung competition ko.
Sorry na. Sorry na.
Pero, as time goes by, parang kinakagat nila ako lahat. Parang wala akong laban dito, Che. And ng mind games na lang ako. Sino ko insecure sila para magalit sila sa akin. Seryoso nyo naman, Che!
It's safe to say.
Seryoso nyo! Seryoso ba?
So, ang congeniality ka, wala sa CGY.
Wala kami, wala. Kala sa'yo na yun. Give ko na. Hindi na lang kaya mo kasi. Just kidding. Since I know you. Ano ba?
Ano pa gusto mong i-share?
Ang share ko lang is, grabe yung... Actually, yung first episode, grabe. Hindi pinakita lahat, pero nag-iiyakan kami lahat. As in, nag-iiyakan kami lahat. Ayun, nag-iiyakan kami lahat.
The critiques that you saw were like, what, 30 seconds to like a
Ang
minute?
sakit na ng tiil namin
Oh,
dahil. Kasi first time namin yun, kaya medyo...
Ilang oras kami nakatayo lahat doon.
Hindi ba lang ako sinabilihanan na ganun pala mangyayari? Bakla, traitor ka din. Grabe talaga, ang parang 2 hours.
Oo.
Yung time namin doon, 2 hours na. Tapos nandiyan, mabilis na.
But yes,
To be expected naman from like, we film an episode. Bahala na kayo mag-research kung ilang araw yun. But we film an episode for so days and so hours, and all you see is like an hour and a half.
Yes.
Ang daming nawawala sa critiques.
But I'm so happy kasi, ayun.
nung kayo yung niname na top 2 of December, how did you parang try to approach that lip sync? Medyo very confident ka ba or alam mong kinailangan mong
Nakita nyo naman ako, di ba? Super cringe ako. Dahil confident ako. Nakita nyo ba? Ano ba? Maganda. Parang feel ko na. Ako mananalo. I'm doing the most, babe.
Palakpakan natin doing the most from CPO.
Thank you.
Thank you. Of course, si Kiana will be back for...
Ano natin, tara na. Mag-change pa tayo ng ano.
They will be back for performances. Pero of course, pag-usapan naman natin si Mix, ang ating sinigang girl.
Yes! Hindi kalig na sinigang.
Okay, so...
Bamaas yung
So, kamusta naman seeing the whole first episode?
Thank you so much. Honestly, yung sa mga parang frustrations ko with the episode, I think during filming was, nung nakuha namin yung lip sync song, so dalawa, di ba? Hiling mas dalawa. When we got the list of lip sync songs, nakita ko agad yung pwede ba? Kasi during preparations, talaga LSS ko yan. Sabi ko, shit, sana ano yan. Sana lip sync for the win. Na-manifest ko nga, bitin lang, hindi ako yung lip sync.
Sayang naman. Pero, who enjoyed the Sinigang Mix video here? So maraming salamat. May dinrop na rin siya na clip. There's a music video coming soon.
And not just that, yung Sinigang Mix packets that I was holding during the shoot, syempre pinalit namin into pouches available right now. Meron kaming 30 pieces available, 300 lang, 5 purses. It's almost the exact same print that I had on the show. So if you just want like a souvenir from the episode, it's available right there.
Yes! And of course, make sure that you're on the lookout for the music video of Sinigang Mix coming soon.
Coming soon, yeah.
Yes. And she's now going to prepare for her performance. But that is it. Palakpakan niyo naman ang Queens from Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
And now, the important part.
Yes.
Episode 1 on top. If you thought we brought it in the challenges, if you thought the cast brought it on the runway, if you thought we brought it on the drama, wala pang kalahati yun.
Okay, let's play On Top Season 3, Episode 1. And we will be back with the performances from the Season 3 Queens. See you in a bit.